we're going to look at comparing whether something is longer or shorter. So just a quick review, look at these two sheets of paper. I want you to think about which one is longer. Is the top one or the bottom one longer? It's the top one. This one is longer. Okay, so now we're going to look over here and we're going to put them in order from shortest to longest. So we'll have to judge which one we think is the shortest, which one we think would be in the middle, and then which one would be the longest. So look at these snakes here. Top, middle, and bottom. We want to think which one is the shortest snake. And we're going to number them in these boxes, either 1, 2, or 3. 1's going to be the shortest, 2 is the one in the middle, and then 3 is the longest. So look at the snakes and be thinking, shortest, either top, middle, or bottom. Shortest. It's the one in the middle. So I'm going to put a number 1 here because that snake is the shortest snake. Okay. Now be thinking about the top or the bottom, which one you think is the one in the middle. So it's longer than that one, but it's not the longest. The middle one. Top or bottom. It's going to be the bottom one. I'm going to put a number 2 here. So this is the shortest, this is the middle, and then the longest one should be the top one. That's the only one that's left. So I want to think, is this the shortest? Yeah. Is this one the one in the middle? And then that one would be the longest. Okay. Let's look at the forks. So you're thinking in your head, out of these 3 forks, which one is going to be the shortest, the one in the middle, and then the longest. So top, middle, or bottom, the shortest fork. Shortest fork. It's the top one. So I'm going to put a number 1 by it. Okay. Now I'm looking for the fork that's longer than that one, but it's not the longest. It's going to be the one in the middle. So now you're thinking, which one is longer than that one, but not the longest fork? Because it's going to get the number 2. So the middle one or the bottom one? It's the bottom one. That's going to be the one in the middle, which means that I'm going to put a number 3 here, and it should be the longest fork. So let's see. Shortest, longer, longest. Okay, so let's look at these orange. Do you remember what shape they are? Either oval or circle. They're ovals. Okay, so look at these orange ovals, and you're thinking, which one's the shortest oval? Either the top, the middle, or the bottom. The shortest oval, it's the one in the middle. Okay. Now I'm looking for something that's longer than this one, but not the longest one. So you got to think, top or bottom, which one's the one that's longer than this one, but not the longest? It's the one in the top, which means this one should be the longest one. Should be. So this one's the shortest, number 1. This one is longer, but not the longest. And then this one is the longest. Let's look at these brown shapes. Are these brown shapes called rectangles or triangles? They're called triangles because they have 3 sides. Okay, so let's think about which one is the shortest triangle. Either the top, the middle, or the bottom. Shortest. It's the one in the middle. That one's the shortest. Now we're looking for one that is longer than that one, but not the longest. It should be in the middle. Which one? Top or bottom? It's the bottom one. The bottom one is longer than that one, but not the longest one, which means this is going to get number 3, and if we did it correctly, it should be the longest. So let's see. Shortest, longer than that one, but not the longest, and then the longest. So we practiced looking at what is in order from shortest to longest.